So in here, what I want to do is these are some of the internal components of a system, and the total volume is quite large. What I want to monitor is some contour slices very near to this component wall, like the velocity contour near these walls. However, at the wall, which is easier to plot, at the wall the velocity is zero because of no slip condition. So what we can do is we can take a contour planes very close to the wall to actually see what is the velocity near that wall, which is sometimes very important in some of the analysis. So how can we do that in Ensight? So there are two ways. Either we create four planes surrounding the component and then plot the velocity, or there is another tool called box tool, which is easier to capture a component surroundings and then plot it. So I'll show the box tool because that's very easy to do in this case. Now, why are we not using the clips or contours is when I take the clips mainly, like if I just take a clip slice, usually so I changed this option. Usually this is the default option, and it is a slice of the whole volume. Like when I select this total volume, it takes a slice of the complete volume. So imagine taking slices, four slices, so they would be intersecting with each other, and I can see if I'm looking at the front slice, I can see the side slices or the back slices, and so on and so forth. So that makes things more complicated. You'll see how the box tool works. So in first, we need to create a box surrounding this the component. So what we want to do is create a box around only this left component in here. Okay. So how can we do that? You can go to Tools, Box, and this is the box tool showing. Now you can also bring on your plane tool as well. I think, yeah, you can see this is the plane tool. You can not visualize that. So we are going to work on the box tool in here. So this one is moving the box. This one is just changing the dimension of the box. So I'll first position the box in the right location. So let's look at from this side. So the box should be very close to the wall so that I can actually see the velocity contour near the wall. Okay, let's take a look from this side. Again, I'm just adjusting the box tool. Should be good. Probably I'll take a little bit of extension. Uh, let's let's check back the Z. Make sure that everything is okay. Okay, looks fine. Maybe slightly. Okay, looks fine to me. You can see this is just surrounding the box, like surrounding the component. The box is basically containing the component in here. Okay. So what we need to do now is create plane using this box tool. So I'll just use the cut plane. Then this one should be box. I don't need the advanced option, so I'll just go with this one. Now I have to select the volume. Which volume should I extract the contour from? So I had the whole fluid volume in one volume. So, but if you have multiple volumes, select multiple volumes. So create with selected parts. and you can see there is a solid gray body around this tool. Uh, you can look at it by color, by um, velocity vector. So you can see the contours of the uh, of the surrounding box. There are multiple options in here. So the screen key option is basically takes the shape of the box, shape of the component inside the box, and makes it more like symmetrical to the box. Okay, so I liked this one, so I'm using that one in here. To make the visualization more effective, we can also use, so select this new contour which we have created, and then go to this color option. Then we have surface and surface flow display. So basically what we are trying to do is show the velocity with the texture. So existing variable should be velocity. I want to look at the high contrast so that the difference is significant. So close this one and click on the flow texture again. And now you can see, you can actually see a very nice velocity contour plots surrounding the component, even the bottom surface as well. Okay, if you need the bottom surface a little bit upward, you can also get that. But this is how you can create a contour plot uh, surrounding an internal component in Ensight. And now you can say that, well, at this back region or at this side of this internal component, the velocity is a little bit low. You can also control the velocity range. So now I'm just displaying from 0 to 2 velocity. So everywhere red is above 2 velocity. So if you have a requirement that requires you to have high velocity, greater like velocity greater than 2, then you need to focus on your design so that you can improve the velocity around this region. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much.